Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change BMW door handle lights, full guide. Begin by gathering tools, replacement bulbs or LED modules, a trim tool, gloves, and safety glasses. Park on level ground, disconnect the battery negative terminal for safety, and set a soft cloth to protect paint. Work methodically on each door, test lights before final reassembly, and keep screws organized to avoid frustration. Take your time and enjoy the process. When you start, gently pry the trim using a plastic trim tool to avoid scratching paint. Locate retaining clips and work evenly to release them. Some BMW models have hidden screws under rubber plugs. Remove those first. Keep track of clips in a small container and photograph placement if unsure. Carefully unplug the light connector by pressing the tab, then slide out the bulb or LED module for inspection and replacement. Quick recommendation: if this guide helped, please subscribe and like the video to support more practical car tutorials. On another note, a great read is The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can change how you think about money and maybe fund your next DIY car upgrade. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider bookmarking it for later. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Install the new bulb or LED module by aligning contacts and seating it firmly without forcing it. Reconnect the electrical connector and test illumination before snapping trim back. If the light does not work, check fuses, connector corrosion, and polarity for LEDs. Reassemble trim by lining up clips and pressing evenly until you hear clicks. Finally, reconnect battery negative terminal, verify all door handle lights operate, and tidy tools and stray fasteners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.